Divide 592 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 90. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So again we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting we get Z. So 592 divided by 4 is 148. So this much for today and thanks for watching.